STX Volvo FH540, where power meets prestige. The STX Volvo FH540 is the pinnacle of luxury and performance in horse transport. Built on the renowned Volvo FH chassis, celebrated for its durability and power, this elite vehicle ensures your horses travel in unmatched comfort and safety. Available in configurations to accommodate 4 to 9 horses, the STX FH540 combines state-of-the-art engineering with refined design. The horse area features rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, adjustable partitions, surveillance cameras, and a temperature monitoring system. Timbercraft Big Sky, inspired by the spirit of Western Montana. The Big Sky is a beautifully crafted 399 square foot tiny home that blends rustic charm with modern elegance. Drawing inspiration from Western Montana architecture, this model features a striking shed-style roof. Houseboat Classic 180, waterfront living, redefined. The Houseboat Classic 180 offers a luxurious and spacious floating lifestyle, perfect for year-round living or extended getaways. With a generous 450 square meters of total living space, this elegant houseboat combines modern design with high-end craftsmanship. Powered by twin engines, the Classic 180 cruises comfortably at 10 kilometers per hour. CMCALUNA, Italian luxury on the move. Crafted by renowned Italian manufacturer CMCCARAVAN, the CMCALUNA Motorhome is a standout in the world of luxury travel. Famed for its spacious interiors, premium finishes, and cutting-edge features, the Aluna is designed for travelers who demand comfort without compromise. Available in a range of customizable layouts, every Aluna model includes signature elements such as a slide-out section that significantly expands the living area, a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a private bedroom featuring a queen-sized bed, a well-appointed bathroom with a separate shower and toilet. Maxus 590, Villa Edition, a 2-story revolution in mobile living. The Maxus 590 Villa Edition, developed by CIC Motor, is a revolutionary RV that redefines the concept of mobile living. With its innovative design, this vehicle seamlessly transforms from a single-story motorhome into a luxurious 2-story villa on wheels, complete with a panoramic sunroom. When stationary, the RV's main level expands to offer approximately 215 square feet of living space, featuring a stylish living room, fully equipped kitchen, elegant luxury bar, modern bathroom. An elevator provides access to the upper level, which adds another 133 square feet of versatile space. This area can serve as a sunroom, zen retreat. Micro House, the future of compact living. The Micro House is a cutting-edge, high-tech micro-home that maximizes every square foot with advanced technology and thoughtful design. Starting at $60,000, it offers a fully equipped, compact living space ideal for modern, sustainable lifestyles. Inside, you'll find all the essentials for comfortable living, including a fully functional kitchen, bathroom facilities, cozy sleeping loft, comfortable living area. The Micro House is outfitted with solar panels and a battery backup system, enabling energy independence and low operating costs. Its lightweight portable structure allows you to easily relocate whenever you want, providing unparalleled flexibility. Earthroamer SX, go beyond the road. Built on the rugged Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis, the Earthroamer SX is the ultimate all-terrain expedition vehicle, engineered for off-road adventures and remote exploration without sacrificing luxury or comfort. Powered by a robust 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine delivering 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, the SX conquers everything from mountain trails to muddy back roads with confidence and ease. Inside, you'll find a spacious, intelligently designed interior featuring full kitchen, outfitted with a refrigerator, stove, and sink, comfortable dinette, seats up to 6 full bathroom, includes a shower, toilet, and sink, 2 bedrooms, a queen-sized bed in the master and bunk beds in the second room. Whether you're heading off the grid or across the country, the Earth Roamer SX brings home with you, wherever you roam, starting at $145,000. Severn Lamb Double-deck trolley. Classic elegance meets modern innovation. The Severn Lamb double-deck trolley is a masterpiece of contemporary engineering, wrapped in timeless charm. Seamlessly blending historic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, this handcrafted vehicle is a show-stopping attraction perfect for city centers, shopping districts, and tourist destinations. Crafted with durable wood and polished brass accents, the trolley exudes classic elegance while integrating modern features like energy-efficient LED exterior lighting. It's more than just a visual delight. This trolley is powered Vario Signature 1200, the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes. The Vario Signature 1200 is a premium, high-end motorhome built on the powerful Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. Stretching 12 meters in length and weighing in at 26 tons, it's a commanding presence on the road, an unmistakable symbol of luxury and performance. What truly sets the Signature 1200 apart is its integrated car garage, capable of housing a vehicle as large as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, bringing ultimate convenience and mobility to your journey. Designed to accommodate up to 6 passengers in unmatched comfort, the interior offers a spacious and meticulously crafted living space. It includes a fully equipped kitchen with a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher, a luxurious bathroom with a shower, toilet, and sink, and a private bedroom featuring a queen-size bed and wardrobe. With a base price starting at $922,000, the Vario Signature 1200 delivers an elite travel experience, combining elegance. Trigano Sequoia, redefining tent trailers for modern campers. The Trigano Sequoia is a game-changing tent trailer that combines spacious design, smart technology, and effortless setup, making it the perfect solution for families and groups seeking a more elevated camping experience. Designed to comfortably accommodate up to 10 people, it features 2 large double beds, 2 under tents, each sleeping 2, an annex tent for 2 additional guests, 29 square meters of total living space. Setup is fast and easy. The main tent is ready in just 5 minutes, with the air awning taking about 20 minutes. No poles required. The Sequoia's innovative surround ventilation system ensures optimal airflow and climate comfort inside the main living area, making it as cozy as it is convenient. Blending cutting-edge features with a stylish and functional layout, the Trigano Sequoia is built for adventure, comfort, and flexibility. Starting at approximately €1,000, it's one of the best value options for campers who refuse to compromise on space. Mars 15 Premium, Adventure Upgraded. The Mars 15 Premium is a luxurious yet practical hybrid caravan, purpose-built for family adventures. Combining the off-road versatility of a camper trailer with the upscale features of a premium caravan, it offers everything you need for a comfortable and self-sufficient camping experience. Designed with families in mind, it features spacious interior, includes a queen-size bed, a full dining area, and a well-appointed kitchen, private bathroom, equipped for convenience on the go, modern power systems, includes Projecta PM400 battery management system, Projecta 2000 watts, pure sine wave inverter, 2x 135 amp-hour lithium batteries, Truma Rapid 14-liter hot water system, 400-watt solar panel setup, reverse camera for added safety. Starting at approximately $49,000, the Mars 15 Premium is a top pick among outdoor-loving families who want comfort, reliability, and freedom, all in one rugged, road-ready package. Cortez 17 Camper, lightweight freedom, built to explore. The Cortez 17 is a 17-foot single-axle travel trailer crafted by Cortez Campers, designed for adventurers who value efficiency, durability, and modern comfort. What sets it apart is its innovative composite monocoque frame, made from a proprietary fiberglass and resin blend that delivers exceptional strength while keeping weight to a minimum. With a dry weight of just 2,680 pounds, the Cortez 17 is easily towable by a wide range of vehicles, making it ideal for spontaneous getaways or extended road trips. Inside, you'll find sleeping space for two, a rear-positioned double bed with a convertible dinette for added flexibility, compact galley kitchen equipped with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, efficient bathroom, includes a toilet and shower for on-the-road convenience. Perfectly blending lightweight design with essential amenities, the Cortez 17 is ready to go wherever the road takes you.